What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your TikTok application on your mobile device and tap on the profile icon located at the lower right corner of your screen. While on the profile page, tap on the hamburger icon located at the upper right corner of your screen. In the pop-up menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Go to Account, deactivate or delete account. Tap on Delete account permanently and choose any of the reasons why you are leaving TikTok from the list given on your screen. If you don't want to tell due to privacy concerns, you can simply skip it. Before deleting your account, TikTok will give you the option to download a copy of your TikTok data. You can request the download and proceed to continue the account deletion process by checking the confirmation checkbox prompt. Tap on Continue and you will soon either be prompted to log in to your Google account in order to verify your identity, or TikTok will send a confirmation code to your mobile number. Enter this code and your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.